Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the control board. So control board for homeowners, take as many pictures as possible. Don't be cheap on pictures. So what you need to do, you have to take pictures from every angle possible. Because a lot of times people take one picture or two, and then when they remove it, they cannot see the other wires where they go. Okay, so Lennox, basically, I mean, I'm doing it for 26 years, but if you look at it, these are the speed of the blower motor. Okay, low speed, medium high, medium low, and black. Okay, so this is belongs to the blower motor. Now remember, by the way, the blower motor, you can always change the speed. You have to turn the power off, and then you can change it. If I move this, this is, for example, is for heat, low stage. I can make the low stage higher speed if I want to. So this is going to be something else we can talk about in another video, just so you know, okay? So these are all the wires for the control board. I'm sorry, excuse me, for the blower. This is the main harness, and this harness, as I showed you in other videos, belong to the inducer motor and igniter. Basically, these are the only high voltage component beside the blower motor and the transformer. Now this is ready to go, right? You just have to move all the ground wires, right? Now again, you're not gonna do that because I'm scrapping this. You just have to remove the wires that belong to the control board that is attached to it. Do not remove the other stuff, sorry. But I'm just telling you, since I'm doing this. So again, I'm being harsh on this. Again, don't do like me, I'm just throwing this away. Okay, so this, you're gonna have two screws in here, and it just comes off. Okay, so you don't have to remove the screw all the way, just loosen it. I'll show you why. Because they make it in a way like it, you can put the screw in and slide it, so you don't have to remove the screw all the way. Now I have it already out. Now what you need to do, if you have a plier like this, you can push these control board clamps, whatever you call them, right? So it comes off. It takes some time. Give me a second, I'll do it quickly, because I want to show you something important about the connection, so at least you can have an idea in case you mess up with the wiring, you know, later. So basically, in the control board, they are basically very simple if you look at it, especially with Lennox. If you look at it, it's very easy. It tells you everything. So here you see low heat, high heat. EAC, it's an electronic air cleaner. Sometimes the furnace can have an electronic air cleaner. Park, if there is a speed that you don't need it, you can put it here. It's just a dummy connection, doesn't connect to anything, it's safe. Okay, so here I'm telling you, if you want to have the low speed of the low stage speed, you can have it higher. And as I told you, by the color, it goes by the color. Usually red is the low, and then black is the highest. Sometimes yellow could be medium high, I believe, and the brown is medium low. Okay, so these are the only hot connection. Okay, line, which is the power from the house, and you have a hot for the transformer. And then if you have a humidifier that you need to operate it, this is a hot. You can power a transformer with this. Okay, and this is, again, here are the hot ones, you see, and here are, see, hot, and then you have the neutral. So here, if you have a humidifier hot here, you're gonna have a neutral here. Blower motor, see, so the blower motor comes here, neutral, electronic. All of them have here. Here's also neutral from the house. So it's very easy. This harness is easy. Basically, this harness feeds the high voltage, as I told you earlier, the inducer draft motor and the what do you call that? The high surface igniter. This harness is very easy. So after that, you have nothing else. Only you have the other thing is the. I believe there was a flame sensor somewhere. Let me see if I'm not wrong. Flame sensor. Yeah, it was here. This is a flame sensor. That's all what it is. Always look in the back. Make sure there's nothing burned just in case. So this is how it is. Now, if you put it back, same thing. It should be easy. You just put these in the place. And then the wiring, again, you should follow. If you take pictures, it should be very easy. You can follow it. Okay, so we're gonna go next step. We're gonna remove the, I'm gonna show you how to remove the blower motor and how to install it. Thank you.